Welcome, everyone. I'm Danielle Pailly, and I'm so delighted you've decided to join me today for Ujjayi or ocean breathing. This comes from yoga, and for some of you, you may be very familiar with this breathing technique and just want to deepen your practice. If you're brand new, welcome. You're in the right place. This type of breathing activity is good for helping oxygenate the body so we're healthier. It helps calm the nervous system to relax against stress and anxiety. And all this is linked to greater health and immune function. Now, I'm going to lead into it with a couple of variations just so that you become comfortable. So, this first part is a little instructional, and then we'll actually do the breathing together. So, let's walk through that first bit. I'd like you to rest your hands in your lap. I'm going to draw my shoulders back and lift my heart. And if you can imagine there's a string at the base of your spine out through the crown of your head, allowing you to sit nice and tall, your chin is ever so slightly tucked. And one way to think of ocean breathing is imagine you're sipping water through a straw. You can gently control how much water you're letting in. In this case, we're drawing in air and we're controlling it so it flows and swirls in the back of the throat, down into the chest, and then into the belly. And imagine you're drawing that air into about 2 inches below your navel. I use Darth Vader as an example because when you ever hear sound, or if you hear someone snoring back of the throat, it's not that intense, but you're feeling the airflow in the back of the throat and keeping it moving. And if you feel like your throat gets really dry, you might be doing it too much, so you can back out of it a little bit. So we don't want stagnant air going in and out. So the first thing we're going to do together to practice is to inhale through our nose, open your mouth, and just sigh it out. Let's do that one more time. Inhale through the nose. Fill the belly, open your mouth, and just sigh it out. Now, we're going to add a little piece to it. If this is comfortable for you, bring the tip of your tongue behind your upper teeth, relaxing the jaw. Now, as you inhale, imagine you're constricting ever so slightly the airflow to the back of your throat and see if you can bring it all the way down into your belly. So inhale, pause, drop the tongue and jaw, and sigh it out. Inhale, exhale. Okay, we're going to add one more component to this before we do true Ujjayi breathing. This time we bring the tip of the tongue behind the teeth. We relax the jaw. We constrict the airflow. But on the exhale, imagine you're exhaling and feeling it in the back of the throat, that sound. Okay, so inhale. Pause, drop the jaw, slow exhale. Two more times. Once more. Good. Give yourself a moment to take a couple of relaxed breaths, allowing everything to recenter. If you feel a little lightheaded during this activity, you can stop, recover, take your time, and try it again. It takes a little bit of practice. And so now we're going to go through the entire Ujjayi sequence together. And when we do, we're going to, this time, inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose, but try to get that same feeling in the back of the throat. So I'll begin. Please join me when you're comfortable. I won't be talking, so the experience is tip of the tongue behind the teeth, Jaw relaxed. Inhale to the back of the throat. Allow the airflow to flow down into the belly. Pause. And then exhale all the air out and pause. If it is helpful for you, imagine an ocean wave. Inhale, the wave goes up, and exhale, the wave goes out. So let's begin. And now relax your breath. Breathing in and out gently through your nose. Not trying to control the breath in any way. Allowing your body to naturally realign. Allowing your breathing to return to normal without feeling forced. Give yourself some space here to allow your mind to be at ease. Taking about 1 more minute, simply noticing your breath, being fully present in your body. And there's no rush. You can open your eyes whenever you're ready. Thank you for joining me.